where even the global brokenness manifesting itself in war and violence between different groups of people, even that brokenness will be healed. The leaves of the tree of life are for the healing of the nations. How are we supposed to understand that imagery? Is it like we stand under the leaves and that brings healing? Or we take the leaves? Or how do you understand that imagery there in the book of Revelation? The leaves of the tree of life are for the healing of the nations. How can I not think right now about Russia and Ukraine? How can I not think right now about the brokenness, the healing that's needed so badly right now for how many thousands of families in Turkey and Syria? The healing of scars humans have inflicted on each other, not only in our overt bad behavior, but even in our best efforts when our